Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So the fight continues for Jamaica's natural resources, and a woman said she found oil on her land. A lot of the fight that is going on within Jamaica is about Jamaica's natural resources, and oil is one of them. They have been doing exploration services in Jamaican waters looking for oil for about 2 years now, and they have said they haven't found anything, but a lot of people are saying that they definitely found something and they don't want to speak on it. Oil has been found in the St. Mary. Oil has been found in St. Mary, but it's not enough to be drilled and extracted for commercial purposes. The fuel was discovered by a woman who told authorities that she stumbled upon oil substance on her farm. The woman is said to have told authorities that she has been noticing the substance since she was a child, curious to find out what it was. The woman contacted the Petroleum Operation of Jamaica, PCJ. Preliminary analysis undertaken by the PCJ confirmed that the substance is in fact oil. The PCJ said the newest oil seep apparently originates from a source rock from the Jurassic geological period, which was approximately 160 years ago, making it older than any rocks found on or offshore Jamaica to date. As an oil seep is a natural leak of crude oil and gas that migrates up through the seafloor and the ocean depths, the first offshore live oil seep was discovered by Tullow Oil in February 2017. Discovery by the woman increased the number of live oil seep onshore to 2. The PCJ said that it intends to continue its quest for new oil seeps. We will continue to expand our search for telltale signs of Jamaican hydrocarbons seeps in both on and offshore with our partners, and encouraging the public to call us should they identify any substance they consider to be oil-like, so that we can investigate, Brian Richardson, the PCJ oil and gas manager, said. So this woman found oil on her property, and quite frankly, I'm gonna be honest with you, a lot of the fight that is going on in Jamaica is because of Jamaica's natural resources, and natural resources like oil, gas, bauxite, gold, because we have gold if you guys did not know. And I want to read some of the comments of this post, and it said, "Here comes the government saying it's their oil." Somebody else says, "Soon enough you're gonna get offered a price and you have to leave. Protect that lady at all costs." Another said, "I hope she bought the land and owned it first before she called them." Somebody else said, "Hope she have a title for the land, cause there will always be someone to come with some fuckry." Somebody else said, "Oil now make no money again. Believe me, I live in Alberta. Filing solar pan house top yard now run out of sun. No, not time soon." Somebody said, "Shh, you talk too much." Somebody said, "Wow, auntie, call me. Let's figure this out." Another person said, "I've been searching for my mother all these years, and I'm now finding her. Mommy, I'm here." Somebody else said, "Uncle Sam coming for it." Somebody said, "Okay, now let the country benefit from it and don't sell the land to the white man." I agree with every single thing that they're saying in the comment sections of this post, because I feel like I hope that she has the land in her name, title, and she's up to date on everything, because if not, they can possibly throw her off that land just so they can drill for oil. And a lot of Jamaican people don't understand how much natural resources we have and how other people and other country want it very badly, and they'll go through drastic measures for it. and because we born, lived there, it's been there for generations and generations, we feel like nothing is gonna happen to it and it's us forever. But we need to be very careful in protecting our natural resources. Her, like, she know, I don't think she should have said anything, especially not to the PCJ and the whole thing that's happening with Tullan Oil offshore Jamaica. Because if you guys didn't know, Tullan Oil have been drilling for oil since 2017, and they said they found oil, and a year later they said they didn't find anything. And a lot of people in Jamaica are saying that they definitely found something, they just don't want Jamaican people to know about it, because if Jamaican people know about it, they're going to demand their cut, they're going to demand their share, and they just want to keep it between Tullan Oil and the government officials so they can keep it in that small circle. Basically, the rich people is going to get richer in Jamaica. So I hope she own her property, I hope she own her land, I hope she up to date on her taxes for her land. I hope they don't take this woman's oil, honestly. Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Have you ever think you've seen oil on your land in Jamaica? Do you guys know that there's land grabbing going on in Jamaica? Do you guys want a video on that? Tell me in the comment section, what do you think is going to happen to her land now that she has discovered oil on her land? Do you think they're going to take it away? Do you think they're going to offer her a nice sum of money for her to move? Or they're going to throw the book at her and force her off her land? Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.